You decide whichever you want. You want to take this A here, you take, or you want to take this C here, you take. Okay, let me take A, no problem. If you want, okay, let me take A. Whichever you want, you can take. They have not given us A is nearer to the observer or C is nearer to the observer. They are not given. We feel whatever you feel, you can do it. Okay, I'll take A. I'll take A. Okay, and enter, and you rotate it. Rotate through this point, and this point has to be at the intersection of this intersection until you get the intersection. Yeah, intersection of this. Okay, I got this. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now let me come to this problem. Now this you can keep anywhere here. You can keep here. Okay, you can keep here. Now A to A, B to B, like this you have to draw the projection of line projections. Okay, copy one line. I am going to write a line from A. Okay, and line from A and line from A. It is intersecting at this point. So this will be A. This point will be A dash. Okay, let me write later, or let me keep it neatly later on. Okay, later on we'll keep. Otherwise you can keep now only. Okay, this is point A. Let me draw a line from point B. From B. And again write a line from B. I'm going to write a line from B. So from B and B, you project it. Okay, extend this. And this will be point B. This will be point B. So let me name it as B dash. Okay. And again C from point C. Let me copy one line. End of. Be careful while taking. End of C. And project the line from C also. I am going to project the line from C. Okay. And C and C. You can see C and C. The intersection here will be giving you C. So extend this line. Extend this line. And trim the remaining part of it. Okay, mouse is not working properly. I'll remove this. Okay, trim this remaining part. Okay, this point will be C. Okay. Move anywhere. You can keep anywhere. Okay, and similarly point A, B, C and D. From the D I need to draw one line. So copy this. From this point, locate at point D. Allocated, and you can see this, it is intersecting at this point, and extra line you can remove this. I remove the extra line, and this will be point A, B. You can see from A, B, C and D. This will be point D. So let me write it as point D. Okay. Let me write it as point D. Now join all those using visible line from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. This is how it appears when it is resting on one of its diagonal AC. You can see that AC is the diagonal it is resting, and on this it is appears to be like this. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah, please ask me any problems are there in this.
Sir, can you show once again how to take that point on the locus, sir?
This one, this one, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll show that. I'll show it. I am saving it. Once after saving, I'll show the locus, how to take the locus. So we have we have wasted a lot of time, and now the next class I'll be completing this particular part. I'll be doing circles, and after that we'll complete this chapter. We'll go to the projection of solids. See, my request is before I go to the projection of solids, I'll be giving you the time, okay, and you have to confirm the timing, and those timing, if you confirm, I can complete the introduction part of it. Anyone who they are willing to attend, they can attend, so that there will not be much more confusions. And for the introduction class of any of the chapters, if you are missing, I will not become responsible. I'm telling you will not understand the concept at all. I'll be wasting a lot of time and trying to make you to understand. So that time, if you are absent, it will be very difficult. Correct? No? So I request you to join for those classes. Now let me show. Let me show this. Okay. See, I have XY line already. I have the XY line. The XY line is there. Already I have been taken 45-degree line. 45-degree line is there. Okay. This is what how to take. You are asking me. 45-degree line is there already. Now you take a suitable point. I have taken a suitable point, because with that respect to that point only I have to do. Now take this actual length, measure the actual length. Actual length is 42.43, or here the scale is there to measure. Take the scale from end to end. See, 42.43 you can find. Correct? No? Is it visible to you? A blue color shaded. 42.43. Yeah, 42.43. Now take the arc from end of this one, 42.43, enter, and you will get this. Okay, and after this you need not do anything. You remove this, and now you draw one line here. I am going to draw the line. Okay, I am going to draw the line. Now you go to the smaller, this one distance, it is 36.74, or you can take a scale and measure it. 36.74. So take the arc from end of this one. 36 point. How much? 36.74. 36.74. 36.4. Enter. We will meet at this point. Now, after this, you draw the line from intersection of these two to the end of this one. Now this line job is over. Okay, this line job is over, or you can keep the line for some time also, no problem. Now we extend this. Now we extend it. Okay, and see whether it is coinciding properly. See, it is not coinciding. I have not taken properly. I have not taken properly. End point I have not taken properly. Line from intersection of these two to the end of this one. End of this. Now it will be okay. Extend this line. Now you can see here at this point the intersection is correct. Okay. Now what I'm doing, you remove this line, or you can keep as it is, no problem for some time. Select this, selected this, selected this. Now I'm planning to take this diagonal on this line. This diagonal, if you took, your problem will become wrong. So that either you take this C here or you take A here. It is left to you. Okay. Now move either A or C, anyone. Now here I'll take C. Okay. Whichever is convenient, you can do it. Take the C at the end of this one. Enter and go to rotate. Rotate through this point, end point, and any point on this can be on this, or this point can be at the end of this, and whichever you feel like you can take. Okay, any point on this must consider with this. Okay, after this you can remove. Any problem, please go through this problem. I'll be giving you 1 minute time and we'll go to next. I'll be giving 1 minute time. Kindly ask me any questions are there.